Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will take a look at map and set data structures. A map object is a simple key value map and can iterate its elements in insertion order, whereas set is just a collection of values, wherein map contains key value pair but set contains only values. Here also you can iterate the elements in insertion order. A value in set may only occur once. That means you cannot have duplicates in set. So that is the difference between map and set. So let us see how to make use of this map and set with an example. Let us open up Visual Studio Code. So here I'm going to create a new file, mapset.js file. So what I will do is I will create a map here. That is map example is equal to new map. So we have created an object of map here. Okay, if you look at map, it has got key value pair. Okay, so me dot set will set the key and value. For example, here okay, here the key is name and value is Raj. Okay, again me dot set course name JavaScript. Me dot set channel name is Raj Tech Trainer. Me dot set for example fees 5,000. Here all the keys are name, course name, channel name and fees. These are the keys and the values are Raj, JavaScript, Raj Tech Trainer and 5,000. Now we can make use of some of the functions which are available or methods which are available with map. Me dot has. For example, it will look for a key. Okay, so if you want to check a particular map has got this key or not, we can do that by using has method. Console.log okay, and again we'll do console.log me dot delete. So we can delete a particular key value pair. Let's say we can delete fees here. So we will delete it before and then we will just print the map here. Okay, we will delete it here and then we will just print the map here. Okay, the same way we can also do map.get channel name. Okay, so this we will put it in console.log. Okay, so let us execute this first. There are a few more methods which I will take a look at, but let us execute this one first. Node, then map set.js. Okay, if you look at this method, console.log me has name, so this is true, and so we deleted fees. The map only contains now name, course name, and channel name. Okay, and we are printing the channel name value, which is Raj Tech Trainer here. Okay, we can also get the key values and print it by using for loop. We will use for of loop here. For let key and val of me, which is a map, then console.log key comma k comma value comma val. Okay, so let me rerun this. Okay, now you can see it has looped through the key value pair by using for of loop, and we can get the key and values here. We can also do me dot clear. So what this clear will do is it will clear the entire map. Okay, after this we will log it. Okay, now the map doesn't contain any key value pair. It's an empty map. Since we have cleared it here, so the map is empty now. Okay, so let me comment this out. And we will also see keys. So console.log. So if I want to print all the keys, so we can also do that by using, there's a method called keys method. Okay, and console.log me dot, there is a method called values which will print all the values. And also there is a method called entries. Console.log me dot entries. Okay, so let us execute this and see. Okay, map.keys. Okay, so it has resulted in an iterator which iterates through the keys. So the keys are name, course name, and channel name, and the values are, again it is an iterator which gives you the value Raj JavaScript and Raj Tech Trainer. So if you look at the entries, so it has got, the map has got these entries. So these are the iterators and these are the entries. So name is the key and the value is Raj, course name and JavaScript. So these are key value pairs. So these are the entries which are in the map. Okay, so this is how we can make use of map and their methods. Okay, now let us look at the set. Okay, so let set example is equal to a new of set. So here we have used set to add the key value pair into a map, but in case of set we can make use of dot add value. So value will be added here. Say for example, hello ac dot add, say 1 ac dot add, for example, world, and let us add one more. It's not self, it is se. So se dot add. So I will try to add hello here again. As we know that set can only contain unique values. So since there are two values which are same, that is hello and hello, so it has to add only one to se. So let us print se here, console.log se. Okay, so let us execute this first. Okay, now here the set contains hello, 1 and world. So even though we have added hello again here, so it is not being added to this particular set. So this set contains the unique values. So even though there are two hello, so it will contain only one hello. Again, we can use for of loop to loop through the values. For let item of se and console.log item. Okay, we can loop through these items. You can see hello, 1 and world are being printed here. Okay, the same functions which are for map, that is has, delete and then get, can be used with set also. For example, console.log and then se dot has hello. Okay, and then se dot delete 1 se dot, okay, then we have to do console.log and then se. Also get a size here, console.log se dot size. Okay, similar to these key values and entries, we can also get it for set. Okay, so instead of me it will be se, se and se. Okay, so let us execute this. Okay, se has hello, which is true, and then we have deleted 1, and now the existing set contains only two values, hello and world, and the size is 2, and the set iterator is for keys, it is hello and world, and set values is also hello and world. So there is no key and values here, but still we can make use of se.keys and values and entries here. So these three methods, keys, values and entries, are supported just for the compatibility with maps. In this session we have seen the data structures, which is map and set. Thanks for watching.